Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about some of the most popular ETFs that track the Australian stock market. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are investment funds that trade on stock exchanges and aim to replicate the performance of a specific index or sector. Investing in ETFs is a popular way to gain exposure to the Australian stock market. So, without further ado, let's dive into some of the most popular ETFs that track the Australian stock market. Vanguard Australian Shares Index ETF, ASX, VAS. VAS is one of the largest and most popular ETFs in Australia. It aims to track the performance of the S&P/ASX 300 index, which represents approximately 300 of the largest companies listed on the Australian Securities Exchange, ASX. VAS provides broad exposure to the Australian stock market across various sectors. iShares Core S&P/ASX 200 ETF, ASX, IOS. IOS is another widely recognized ETF that tracks the S&P/ASX 200 index, which represents the top 200 companies listed on the ASX by market capitalization. IOS offers investors a diversified portfolio across different sectors and industries in the Australian stock market. BetaShares Australian X20 Portfolio Diversifier ETF, ASX, X20. X20 is designed for investors seeking exposure to the Australian stock market, excluding the largest 20 companies listed on the ASX. This ETF aims to track the performance of the S&P/ASX 20 index and provides a way to diversify beyond the largest stocks in the market. VanEck Vector's FTSE Global Infrastructure Hedged ETF, ASX, IFRA. IFRA focuses on global infrastructure companies, including those listed on the ASX. It aims to track the performance of the FTSE Developed Core Infrastructure 50/50 Hedged into Australian Dollars Index. IFRA provides exposure to infrastructure assets such as utilities, toll roads, and airports. BetaShares Australian High Interest Cash ETF, ASX, AAA. AAA is an ETF that invests in high-quality, short-term Australian money market instruments, aiming to provide investors with a cash-like return. It offers a low-risk investment option for those looking to park their money and earn a stable income. SPDR S&P/ASX 200 Fund, ASX, STW. STW is another popular ETF that aims to track the performance of the S&P/ASX 200 index. It provides broad exposure to the Australian stock market and includes the largest and most liquid stocks listed on the ASX. Conclusion. There you have it, some of the most popular ETFs that track the Australian stock market. These ETFs provide investors with diversified exposure to the Australian stock market, covering various sectors, market capitalizations, and investment strategies. When considering investing in ETFs, it's essential to research each ETF's underlying index, fees, and performance to align with your investment goals. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.